The Delivery tab. The Delivery tab is where you export all your media. There are four main sections that makes the Delivery tab. First, we have our monitor, then our timeline, the render settings, and the render queue. I can come to the timeline and choose a section of the timeline to be rendered or the entire timeline to be rendered. I can just come here, right-click, and select all. And now I have all the timeline selected for render. Or I can come to a certain clip, right-click and mark in. Go to another point, right-click and mark out. And now I'm rendering only this part of my timeline. Let's go back and select all. First, you have some presets. You can create your own presets here. Then you have the output. You can choose to export your timeline as individual source clips, which means that it will create a folder and every clip in your timeline will be rendered to a separate file. Or you can export your entire timeline as a single clip. Then you choose the format. You have DPX, Scenian, TEF, EasyDCP. This is the export to movie theaters. You have AVI, QuickTime. Then you can choose the codec. Just hit Add Job to Render Queue. And now we have our timeline ready to be rendered. And to start the rendering, just hit Start Render.